Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp video calling not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check your network connection if it is working or not. So for this, open Safari, and here my internet is working right now. And after this, the next solution is, so guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so turn off the VPN from your iPhone. So I have not connected any VPN, I have disconnected it. So for this, the next solution is update your WhatsApp app if available. So for this, open App Store here. So open App Store and go to search section and search WhatsApp here. So wait for searching. So here is the WhatsApp Messenger. Good. So the WhatsApp Messenger is not updated, so update your WhatsApp to fix this issue. So after updating your WhatsApp, go back. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on software update here. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the next latest version. So sorry for slow internet connection. So it's checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.